Thanks for stopping by. Please make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And please remember, this is not financial advice. This video is for information and education only. What's going on, traders? Today we're going over BOXL, BOXL Corporation. It looks like today this one gapped up pre-market right away from about 170 to about 210 area, it looks like. And it got rejected from some resistance, but came back up, worked its way back up, and sure enough popped up here and hit some more resistance right here, and came down so popped up pre-market, and it came down, hit some resistance, came down a little bit, popped back up right away, and hit some more resistance, dropped back down to where it was previously getting rejected, and created new support. And that is literally my #1 pattern that I always talk about, right? So it broke through the resistance here, came up, hit new resistance, came down, created new support on that previous resistance, and then shot up, right? Now, and then it hit more resistance up here. Sure enough, came back down. Now, if I'm trying to buy this tomorrow, personally, I'm not just gonna hop in. I'm not just gonna jump in and hope it breaks up, right? No. I'm gonna wait for it to break above this resistance here. I want to see it clean break, just like it did here. Boom, right? Because once it comes back down, you know it's been broken. You hop in for that buy, you ride it up, until the sellers step in. So same pattern, same thing. What I'll be looking for tomorrow, I want to see it break past this resistance here. I want to see it come down and retest this previous resistance and create new support, just like it did here, right? Now obviously it hasn't went up yet, but just like it did right here is what I'm saying. So this is where you would have bought. This is where you would have bought, right? So now if you're a short bias, because you can play this both ways, personally what I'm going to be doing is, if it comes up here and instead of breaking through, it starts to get rejected and it closes, it draws a wick and closes red like a candle like that and comes down, that's when I'm gonna hop in and I'm gonna ride that short down to here, back down to to this support here. And sometimes it's gonna have a little bounce off that area, so a lot of times personally I like to just get in and out, but that's me. Now sometimes you're gonna have this break down a little bit here, which is fine, because a lot of times it'll come back up to retest this previous support and it'll create new resistance, right? And if you start to see it draw a long wick again, that's what I look for. And when I see that happen and I see it close like that, that's signaling to me that we're going down here to this previous support, right? So I personally would wait to see what happens after that point. Because obviously you could just continuously repeat this pattern, but once you get that one, you win that one, that's good enough. I don't suggest it, but if you want to go for it, that's all you, right? That's all you. So that is my short and long bias for BOXL, BOXL Corporation. If this helped you guys at all, please hit that like button for the video. I really appreciate it. And make sure to subscribe because I do chart reviews of popping stocks every single day. So thank you guys and have a wonderful day.